Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another session of a CMAT 2025. See, we are going to solve questions. We know that अपने 20 questions आते हैं तो approximately हम इसको एक mock की तरह करने वाले हैं. The difficulty level will be more than the previous class. And yeah, let's get started without like further discussion. हमने syllabus सब कुछ discuss कर लिया last class में तो अभी हम practice start करेंगे quickly. So yeah, complete the sentence with the correct option. Fill in the blanks. The itinerary set by the travel agent included so many stops in a. So देखो एक तो आपकी hint ये है. So many stops. So many stops in a dash amount. या तो बहुत सारे टाइम में बहुत stops हैं या बहुत कम टाइम में बहुत सारे stops हैं. That they received only the most short impressions, maybe quick impression of the places. जो places देखे वो ढंग से नहीं देख पाए या ढंग से देख पाए, right? अगर मैं बोलूँगी good amount of time, अच्छे मतलब बहुत टाइम में बहुत सारी जगह देख ली तो you will receive lasting impression. मतलब हर चीज को आपने ढंग से देख पाया, right? So good amount of time, lasting impression. पर अगर मैं बोलूँ less amount of time में ज्यादा जगह देखनी थी, right? तो then they got very quick impressions of all the places they visited. It seems more, right? So हम क्या बोले या तो ज्यादा है या कम टाइम है. तो अगर सफिशिएंट टाइम है, आपको सफिशिएंट टाइम मिला है तो कर्सरी तो ऊपर से देखना. सफिशिएंट टाइम है तो ऊपर से क्यों देखा, राइट? डज नॉट मेक सेंस. अगर लिमिटेड टाइम है तो लास्टिंग इंप्रेशन बहुत टाइम तक आपने कैसे दे दिया एक एक जगह को, क्योंकि लिमिटेड टाइम था. दीज टू वर्ड्स डोंट गो टुगेदर. अगेन ब्रीफ टाइम इज लेस टाइम. So fleeting or quick? Yes, this is definitely goes according to a prediction. Generous amount of बहुत time है तो abiding impression कुछ नहीं होता. What is abiding? You are a law abiding citizen. आप law को follow करते हो. So abiding means to follow. So this word doesn't even fit here. For that reason, B is incorrect, right? Hence C is a correct answer. Now question number 2. We have to identify the error. So grammar question. In this way, nuclear fission or the splitting. So ये जो process है nuclear fission या हम इसको बोलते हैं splitting of atoms has been. Singular process की बात करें ना fission की. So या फिर splitting of whatever has been achieved. So which area has the problem? Has been. So this one. So like this. Right? हो सकता है आपको यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजन है कि 1 यहाँ पे आएगा कि 2 इसके साथ आएगा लाइक दिस. तो आप उसको मत देखिए. अगर 1 2 3 4 ऑप्शन लिखा है आपको पता है हैज हैव बीन में प्रॉब्लम है. देखो ये वर्डिंग्स का है एंड देन चूज. सो इट विल मेक थिंग्स क्लियर फॉर यू. Miss Kapoor recommended perseverance and dash in dealing with the activists rather than uncompromising. So she recommended this approach rather than that approach. Right, while dealing with the activists. So uncompromising का मतलब बहुत rigid नहीं हो जाना है, थोड़ा सा flexible होना है, थोड़ा ट्राई करना है उनको अपनी बात मनवाने का. So we are looking for a positive word similar to perseverance. Perseverance consistently आप ट्राई कीजिए. So jovial मतलब मजाक मस्ती करके नहीं, right? Jovial jokingly. Accurate with hatred से ट्राई करो. नेगेटिव नहीं, कुछ पॉजिटिव वर्ड चाहिए. Persistence yes, patience yes, right? हो सकता है कि भाई with now why we, because both are fine. See, perseverance and persistence means exactly the same. तो हम दो same word तो नहीं बोल सकते, but something similar but not exact same. So perseverance and patience. So basically have some patience while dealing with the activist and not uncompromising approach is what she's saying, right? So since perseverance is already written, we have to remove persistence and choose A, patience. The land reforms were diluted if not sabotaged. See, आपके ये दो prepositions है. These are the hint in this question. So in every time in vocabulary question, it's not like vocab का meaning पता है तो you're able to answer the question, नहीं पता तो not. Of course you have to know the meaning of all the words, but with preposition कौन से word के बाद आता है वो सारी चीजें भी हमें पता होना चाहिए. So in कब हम रख सकते हैं? So politicians, see, so पॉलिटिशियंस एंड लीगल ऑफिशियल्स का एक अग्रीमेंट, एक कोऑपरेशन, एक कोल्यूजन जो भी इधर पे है वो है जिसकी वजह से लैंड रिफॉर्म्स थोड़े से डाइल्यूट कर दिए गए हैं, राइट? दैट हम बोल रहे हैं. सो लैंड रिफॉर्म्स वर डाइल्यूटेड इन कोलैबोरेशन विथ पॉलिटिशियन, बट हु इज इन लैंड रिफॉर्म्स एंड कोलैबोरेशन? नो. तो कोलैबोरेशन आप बोल सकते हो बट आई एम इन कोलैबोरेशन विथ दिस पर्सन, बट दिस इज डन इन कोल्यूजन विथ ए एंड बी, क्योंकि आपका जो मेन सब्जेक्ट है वो तो बाद में ही है. इन दोनों का कोलैबोरेशन हो रहा है. सो इन दिस केस मैं ये बोलूंगी. अगर सब्जेक्ट स्टार्टिंग में, सी व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इज आई एम cooperating with you, करेक्ट, और आई एम वर्किंग इन कोलैबोरेशन विथ यू, तो वो सब्जेक्ट स्टार्टिंग में, पर यहाँ पे पहले तो वर्ब आ जा रहा है जो भी है यहाँ पे कोल्यूजन, और फिर बाद में सब्जेक्ट, देयर इज अ कोल्यूजन ऑफ, देयर इज अ कोल्यूजन विथ ए एंड बी पार्टी, दैट्स व्हाई ए एंड नॉट अग्रीमेंट और कोऑपरेशन व्हिच मीन्स अ सिमिलर बट ग्रामेटिकली विल नॉट फिट हियर. Pandemonium means noise. Okay. Question number 5. Neither the bank nor the other staff members. So nor में हमने लास्ट क्लास में सीखा था बच्चों, its staff members were able to calm. So were able. So यहाँ प्रॉब्लम है. I'll choose this. Okay, reading comprehension. I'll give you 1 minute to go through this passage. Okay, I hope you have read. So we are talking about the speciality of desert right here, that it is better than shore, mountains, valley, plains and everything, because there's a mood of the desert. For one thing, it is conservative and not radical. It likely to provide awe than to invite conquest, right? The heroism which it encourages, encourages heroism of endurance, not of conquest. It brings man against this limitation, right? And then of course it motivates for contemplation. Contemplation is sochna, reflection. So in order to receive the desert's message, the beholder needs to think, right? To be reflective by nature. ये मुझे कहाँ से पता चलेगा? Last 3 lines. That sometimes it includes contemplation. Contemplation is reflection. Reflection is thinking. आराम से बैठ के सोचना. In men who have never, जिन्होंने कभी कुछ सोचा नहीं है. And of all the answers to the question, हर आंसर अगर डेजर्ट से आपको जवाब चाहिए अपने सारे सवालों का, so you have to be contemplative, right? और perhaps the best आपको you have to be reflective. So this. So synonym, I think they're checking the vocabulary. Last question. The phrase "it brings man against his limitation" indicates. So यहाँ पे लिखा है, इस लाइन का क्या मतलब है देखिए. See, if I am bringing you against your challenges, मतलब I am just telling you, भाई these are your challenges. See the reality. Now I am not forcing you to fight, right? I'm not persuading you, भाई इसको over करो. नहीं, ये आपकी fight है. If desert brings a man against this his or limitation, इसका ये मतलब होता है कि भाई उसको उसकी कमियां या उसको उसकी रियलिटी डेजर्ट बताता है कि भाई आपकी इतनी ही कैपेबिलिटी है, डेजर्ट को पार करना फॉर एग्जांपल इजी नहीं है. सो इट टेल्स यू अबाउट द एंड्योरेंस, अबाउट योर कैपेबिलिटी, अबाउट योर लिमिटेशन. दैट्स इट. सो इट मेक्स यू अवेयर rather than feel hopeless about it or tell you to overcome, भाई लड़ो, ऐसा सब नहीं बोल रहा है. लड़ो ना लड़ो, दिस इज योर इनकेपेबिलिटी, दैट्स ऑल. All right, next question. The desert is unique among landscapes in that it is relatively, so compared to other shore, mountain, valley, plains, it is what? So it is conservative and not conservative and conventional is the same thing, and not radical. Extreme नहीं है, right? Radical नहीं है. या फिर it encourages a heroism and endurance. मतलब आपका कितना आप tolerate कर सकते हो, कितना आप कुछ जीत सकते हो, वो नहीं है endurance, right? So D clearly comes from this word. D is the correct answer. Next question, everyone. The writer calls the desert conservative rather than radical because it provides an environment that क्यों conservative बोल रहा है? ये तो नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज कॉन्केस्ट नहीं, सो कॉन्कर का तो कुछ ऑफर करता ही नहीं, सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Right, it can provide awe, limitless opportunity. So inspires man to explore it. Here, makes one gloomy means sad. क्या desert sad बनाता है? Not mentioned. Inspires one to test endurance. Yes, endurance is written in the next paragraph, right? But that's not the point here, right? हम वो नहीं बात कर रहे हैं. ये क्योंकि endurance है इसलिए, basically for this. So, see, why it is conservative. Right? Okay. If one responds with insight to the mood of the desert, it evokes. Again, last three lines. Sometimes it includes contemplation in man who have never contemplated before, and of all the answers to the question, what is desert good for? For contemplation. So you have to be thoughtful, reflective, right? ये चीज discuss की है, not resourceful or heroic or anything. Okay, next question, everyone. A minute or maybe 2 minutes to read the passage. Okay, let's read the question. It is general knowledge that, let's read, that option A, people behave according to what they see around them. Yes, we just read that in the last few lines, that if they are surrounded by squalor means gandagi, kachra. So people behave squalidly. If things are tidy, people behave clean and tidily. Right? So last two lines में लिखा हुआ है. So A is something we can definitely infer. People are like vast municipal rubbish, like tip. People are rubbish ऐसा नहीं लिख रहा है. People are clean and tidy depending on the environment. Right? People are squalid ऐसा भी नहीं, depending on the environment. आपका environment कैसा है, हम वैसा ही behave करते हैं. हम ये बोल रहे हैं. So A. Michael Meacher, what about him? So Michael Meacher is written here. Please read last three lines and answer this question. Issued orders to follow the Irish example with a tax on plastic bags. See, let's read these lines carefully, what he exactly did. These will take anything from 100 to 1000 years to rot. However, it is not as if there is no solution. A few years ago, the Irish government introduced a tax on non-recycled bags and plastic bags. So, उन्हें tax एक plastic bags पे रखा. In 3 months, reduce their use by 90%. तो 90% लोगों ने plastic bag use करना बंद कर दिया. When he was a minister, Michael Meacher attempted to introduce, try किया, order दिया, कोशिश की But then plastic industry protested, and basically like the idea was killed before it could draw breath. मतलब idea जो idea था, जो suggestion था, वही तो order तो आया. He didn't issue order. He tried to discuss that, but then nobody tried to follow the Irish example with a tax on plastic bags. Yes, we'll keep this. Followed the Irish example with tax on plastics. He tried to follow. He tried, not exactly follow. The idea was killed before it could draw breath. So not really. He questioned the plastic industry who weren't bothered about the tax. He didn't question it. Attempted to put tax, but the industry protested, so he could not do it. So B will be the right answer. According to the writer, years ago things used to be what? Right, years ago, being signed with plastic bags, current bottle. Thing used to be the same abroad as compared to Britain. So bahar he saw some right litter, kachra, and everything. So we can keep this better abroad as compared to Britain. नहीं बाहर तो उसको बुरा देखा, अब ब्रिटेन भी वैसा होता चला जा रहा है. So it was not better abroad. Worse abroad as compared to Britain. At least as bad. As well as same. It's not worse or better. Right. So years ago it was like this, and then now. So see, years ago things were abroad में था. अब now Britain seems to be as bad. Seems मतलब nowadays present. पर पहले abroad was worse. So I'll just erase this. Not A. Right. पहले years ago abroad was bad. Right. That time Britain was okay, but nowadays Britain has also become like that. Is what he's saying. So see. For the writer, the problem is that देखिए rubbish created by increasingly mobile lives last a lot longer than before. So A. Right. Okay. Next question. The writer thinks author is not saying it is too late. He's saying we can still do things. We are at the tipping point. Yet we know that people respond to the environment. If the environment is clean, people will keep it clean. But if it is not clean, nobody bothers. So it's not like it's too late or there's no other option. We are at the tipping point is definitely author is saying here. We need to work together to solve the problem, right? Yet also that also things around. So let's read. दोनों में से what do we choose? What is clearly necessary right now is some sort of combined initiative, both individual and collective. So not just individual तो करना है या collective मिलके. So we need to work together as well as individually. फिर ये दोनों आए तो this is partially true. We are at the tipping point. We may well be at the we may be. So again we got our answer A. Alright, coming back to analogy, similar to vocabulary questions. Enthusiasm is to enthuse, simplest form. So excitement is to excite, not ed, able, ing. And it is not enthusing or anything else. So similar to that we need here. Rephrase the phrase in bold with the I'll underline that portion. I am looking up my keys but I am unable to find them. So I am looking for my keys. I am finding or searching for my keys. Not to look after means to care. To look into the matter means to inspect. Okay. A country that ensures equal rights for all citizens is called democracy. Okay. There are few people in the world who do not like ice cream, not which or whom or that. Who do not like ice cream? For people, will choose who. How do you solve this? Okay, Aman is asking, how do you solve this puzzle? Aman ko nahi pata. Aman doesn't know. That's why Aman is asking, how do you solve this question? For example, Bhumika says, I don't know. Miss Bhumika also doesn't know how to solve this. So if both do not know, तो यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए? Your dash is as good as mine. The way your trial is as good as my trial. जो भी आप ट्राई करो मैं भी वही करूँ, मेरे को भी समझ नहीं आ रहा how to get this. So not your knowledge, पता ही नहीं हमें क्या करना है. Your guess is also, we talk about puzzles. Puzzle का कोई formula नहीं होता कि मुझे एक knowledge हो formula फिर मैं उसको solve करूँ. You have to guess, right? Trial and error. So your guess is as good as mine. Okay, what is the opposite of precarious? Precarious means a very vulnerable, delicate situation. कि भाई मैंने कोई पढ़ाई नहीं की है, कल मैं पास हो जाऊँ तो भी बहुत है. I will be in a precarious situation, so please help me in the exam, right? You can ask maybe your friend. So precarious मतलब बहुत ही आप ऐसे situation में हो, strong situation नहीं, weak situation. So उसका opposite होगा secure. We are looking for antonym. Right? Dubious, dicey means doubtful, similar to precarious. Equivocal is diplomatic. Someone who is diplomatic is दोनों साइड बोलता है, ये भी पार्टी ठीक है वो भी पार्टी, सब सही है. Doesn't take a stand. Chase, pursue are synonyms. Similar, किसी को chasing the dreams, pursuing the dreams. So similarly, bewilder और उसका कोई synonym we have to find. So bewilder means confuse. So perplex, not enlighten or clarify. Orient means orientation, introduction, intro. Now find the odd one out. This is quite tricky. इसमें this is one of the CET PYQ as well. इसमें थोड़ा सा आंसर की को चैलेंज किया गया था. आप बताइए. I'll just tell you जो बाद में फॉर्मली आया, जो सबका अग्रीमेंट था. एडिटर, कॉलमनिस्ट, रिपोर्टर, प्ले राइट. इसमें आपको कौन ऑड वन आउट लगता है? राइट. सो ये जो जितने लोग हैं, एडिटर मतलब क्या, एक मैगजीन या न्यूज़पेपर में लिख रहा है एक आर्टिकल, दैट्स ऑल. कॉलमनिस्ट भी लिख रहा है. रिपोर्टर बता रहा है, लिख नहीं रहा है. प्ले राइट क्या होता है? राइटिंग. वो भी लिखता है कि भाई ये जो एक बेसिकली ये जो अभी स्टेज पे जो भी एक गेम शो है या जो भी एक सीरियल है, क्या डायलॉग्स है वो कैसे, एवरीबडी इज राइटिंग except the reporter, right? Like that. So reporter is the correct answer. Tsunami, earthquake, flood and famine. Which one is odd one out? So tsunami, earthquake, flood are known as natural disasters, whereas famine is man-made disaster. मतलब जानबूझ के आप कोई चीज की सप्लाई कम कर दो, फूड की या उसकी वाटर की. तो famine means lack of water and food, right? तो वो तो it generally एक मॉनसून ठीक नहीं गया उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, अनलेस गवर्नमेंट का मिसमैनेजमेंट है किसी कंट्री में, देन दैट्स अ डिफरेंट केस. सो फेमाइन इज अ मैन मेड डिजास्टर, वेयर अदर्स आर नेचुरल, वो कोई एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकता. सो बी राइट. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर अटेंडिंग द सेशन. आई विल सी यू सून tomorrow with another session.